SparkyLinux 7.4 has been benchmarked, and let's have a look where it is ranked. There we go. So not great, but definitely not the worst. It's running LXQt, which is cool. Not super, not the most popular choice for distributions, but it's reasonably lightweight. As you can see, on Alpine Linux, you can run it in 240 megs with the KWin Window Manager, but this is using 690, so they're bundling a bunch of stuff with it. Also, this is an older version of LXQt. Alpine Linux is also running an older version. These orange boxes show when there's a newer version available of a piece of software. I think 2.0 is out currently. And they're also using OpenBox with it, which has not been updated in 9 years. This has been abandoned for 9 years. So I don't know why, when a distribution uses LXQt, they will bundle it with OpenBox, because you can use other window managers. This LXQt was made where it allows you to use other window managers, and they recommend, I think it's KWin and XFWM, but XFWM only gets updated every 2 years, so I wouldn't recommend that. And then LightDM, they're using... Canonical stopped maintaining this 2 years ago, and they're using a version that is, 6 years old? So I don't know what SparkyLinux is doing. They're kind of dropping the ball on the software support that they're providing. I would not recommend running SparkyLinux. The 690 megs of RAM, I don't know why the system load is so high, 1.66. It's 0 on Alpine Linux when you use it with KWin, LXQt with KWin. So I have no idea what it's doing with all the system load. And then it's 6 gigs. On Alpine Linux with LXQt, you're just over a gig. So 6 gigs of stuff bundled with it. And then the reboot time, 15 seconds, is not the worst. So SparkyLinux, who would use this? Why would you use this? So let's have a look at the rebootski-dootski here. And we got the SparkyLinux logo. We got the SparkyLinux selection from Grub. Blank screen. And we got the SparkyLinux logo again. Blank screen, and we're back in business.